Quick update. This is just a kind of a test with the GoPro. See how this goes. But today we did front and rear sprockets on the KLX 110. New chain. Everything spins nice and smooth. I'm gonna wait to get it on the ground. I'll have somebody sit on the bike so I can make the final adjustments. But other than that, man, this little build's going really well. I've got the upgraded front springs, longer brake cable, brand new plastics, new seat, pro taper bars, new rear tire, cleaned and lubed the axles. This thing's looking pretty darn good. But yeah, just wanted to test the GoPro out today too. It's my dog, he's always helping me out. New grips, of course. I put a rear shock too. There's new rear shock. Everything's muddy. Everything's nice and muddy. But yeah, so that's that. It's a little update on the build. Thanks for watching.